Okay, if you guys have watched my videos for any length of time, you know that I'm all about planning and planning ahead and getting ahead of what you have going on during the week so that you can enjoy your life a little bit more, because we know that as a teacher, we are exhausted when we get home. It is a very tiring job. So the more you can get done as your week moves on, the better. I'm going to show you my teacher cart that keeps me organized and keeps me on top of what is going on for the week. And I'll show you a few other little tips and tricks that I do to keep myself on board and ready for what's coming up next week. So keep watching. Okay guys, this is my circle time area. My rug is right here. This is my cart. This is, yes, my circle time cart, but it is my all the time cart as well. Let me show you what I've got going on. Already I have the books that I'm going to read for Monday morning. I'm going to read We're Going on a Bear Hunt. This is this amazing pop-up book. They're gonna love it. And this cute little book, Something's Wrong About This Bear Wearing Underwear. So anything Jory John illustrates is amazing. So what I have here is my circle time drawer. And in here, I've got my letters for my name of the week, my eraser for my whiteboard. Down here, you can see yesterday's name of the week and number of the day. In here is my letter of the week stuff. I have got my letter N cards, my N tub, my alphabet anchor charts, because I'm introducing letter N. You guys, it's Sunday, so that's tomorrow. And my letter N folder with all my letter N activities. Down here, I have extra centers. Right now, it's got nothing in it because I've got all my centers in their little drawers. This is my lesson plan for this week. There's one posted outside my door, but this tells me what I'm doing. And I will put this out tomorrow so that everybody knows what we're doing. So here's the thing. I've got my sneaky snacky squirrel game over here that was on my Monday. It's already ready to go because I'm ready for Monday. Even though it's Sunday afternoon, I'm here and I thought I'm just going to get everything ready for tomorrow. So I have a beautiful, easy morning. So I'm going to make these paper plate foxes. I've got my paint, my paper plates, my paintbrushes, all of my cut up materials. I know that I need to cut more ears, but I'm basically ready to go except for the googly eyes. So I have got that ready already. So guess what I did? I know my next week is apples. And I know my letter is A. I know on Monday I'm going to play this little game called Where's the Worm? And it's under these apples. I'll pick maybe 10 letters that we'll practice. I'll do the letters of the week we've already done plus letter A and the letters of their name. I've got my letter A activities because I know I want them to do letter A trace. So I'm already ready for next Monday. My center is already here. Okay, ta-da. So I've got what I'm doing Tuesday. I'm doing a Scaredy Squirrel game and we're finishing those foxes. What I'm doing on Wednesday. Oh, I have got nothing in here. Let's look and see. Wednesday, make a match game. Okay, I had that out. Here we go. Make a match and see what else we're doing on Wednesday. Put the fox in the box. It's a position word game. It's in my back closet. So I don't need to worry about anything else for that day. So I'm ready to go. Thursday. Oh, you guys get to watch how I do this. I thought I was ready. 10 Forest Friends Counting Book and Hibernating Bears Craft. Okay. So I know I've got an extra teacher on Wednesday, so we're going to do shadow match animals. And we are going to do match the squirrel to the tree, an upper and lowercase matching game here. And then the 10 Forest Friends is a book activity that I know, there it is, right here. 10 Forest Friends. that in on Thursday. And then Friday, we are going to do spin, graph, and count colorful boxes. And let's see, maybe we will make hedgehogs. Okay, we'll make some hedgehogs. Okay, so yay, donezo. But there you have it. You guys, I thought I already had these done. I knew I had everything ready, but I didn't realize I didn't have them in the drawers. So this is what I'll do. Tuesday, I will put this stuff out and get my centers ready. And then I'm gonna find my centers for apples on Tuesday, and I'll stick it in that drawer, so I'm already gonna be ready. Do the same thing on Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. So only extra centers I have here are going to be, where's the owl? And in that bag I have more shadow matching animals. And this is fun facts about forest animals. I'm gonna make sure they get up in my circle time drawer, because that's where I'm gonna want those for the week. So I'm all ready for that. I've got books down here. So these are the books I'm gonna read during the week. And then also in my cart, I have just some whole group games that I can pull out and do if the kids are getting squirrely and crazy. I've got 5 Little Fishes, 10 in the Bed, Scat the Cat, and my color fingers. This is my little chick book and how to use all our supplies. Here I've got a social and emotional stuff. This is religion, because I work at a Catholic school. So this is some prayer books and religion books. And then in here, I have my bone for doggy doggy, where's your bone? My flashlight for if there's an emergency. I've got this fun little, my doorbell for if I need to get their attention, and just some other classroom management tools. And in this drawer, I just have like just extra fun stuff that I might want to use during the week. So as you can see, guys, I've got everything within an arm's reach. I've got everything ready to go. Everything is organized. If I was sick, my teachers just have to come here, look at my lesson plan, which they all have, open the drawer and see what we're gonna do for that day. It has made my life incredibly easy. I have a little legal pad, see this green legal pad right here, that I use, that I just keep notes on. For tomorrow, I've already switched out my jobs and everything is ready. We'll be changing our little season tag to, I think, fall by the end of this week. So that's exciting. But yeah, that is my circle time area. Everything is in reach. So this is my circle time teaching cart, sub plans cart, everything right at my fingertips. Okay, guys, here is my infamous back room. See this purple tub? This is all full right now of our community helper stuff that my aides didn't know where to put. So I will put this stuff away probably tomorrow. I could stay and do it today, but I have things I want to do at home, and it is Sunday. But I will put this stuff away, and I will start putting the things that I want to use next week for dramatic play and the block table. I know the toddlers are using the farms. That's what I want to use on my block table. We'll switch that on Thursday because they're done on Thursday, and I'll take all their farm stuff and put it in here. I'm going to do an apple orchard, so I'll show you what I've already got ready, you guys. This is crazy. So up here is all my apple stuff I'm going to use for next week. This is all my centers. I'm doing letter A, all my letter of the week stuff. My apples lesson plan is done. You guys, I have 4 lesson plans done at home that I'm going to print off and bring tomorrow. But I have all the centers that I need, stickers, everything is ready to go. So I've got next week here. And all of the stuff for free centers for sensory bin, for blocks and dramatic play will all be in this purple bin and next to the purple bin. And that's how they know. Do you see, like, this is here for the forced animals I have on the block table now. That is for the brown rice I have in the sensory bin, and the Duplo Legos that are going to be on the block tables is all right there. But yeah, this room is super tiny, but it is definitely made a lot more functional. I've got my theme bins. Most of them are labeled. I've had to get more bins as I've gone because I have so many freaking center activities made for all this stuff, you guys. It's nuts. We have an overflow of paper towels, and this is one of the places we had to put them. I have to put this baby cradle that my dad made for me when I was a little girl right there because I use it for my baby week, and someone had it last week. But I'm looking in here and I can already see these little bags in here are for my apple orchard. They're really cute. I found them at Target. They say apples on them. I have trees. This is one green tree. I've got the rest of my green trees and tree trunks there because I know I'm going to put apple trees up on my bulletin board. You see these right here. These are my apple trees. I think these all have Velcro on them. Yeah, for dramatic play, we do apple picking too in my apple orchard, so these will all have apples Velcro to them. And then they'll turn into these fall trees, which all have Velcro on them, which are my fall trees, which the leaves fall off of. So, you know, it's crazy. So as you guys can see, I have really designed my classroom and my themes so that they easily flow one thing into another. And I don't have to change complete bulletin boards all the time. I don't have to change complete dramatic play centers all of the time. I have one going into another, flowing into another. Just makes it super easy for me and for my aides, and the kids love it, and it's just great. So find your systems. If you have a system, like putting everything for next week in that one bin, but as I empty the drawers in my cart, I add those centers for next week to them. It's just this constant flow of things going in and things going out. When that bin back there for apples is empty, I will then put all of my, I think it's fall. It's either fall or nature or something. Fall will go in there. And yeah, same thing next week and the next week and the next week. And it has saved me oodles of time, stress, energy. It did, I will have to say, you guys, each school year when it starts up again, it takes me a few weeks to get back into the flow and remember how to do it. But I got it and I did it, and yay. I celebrated last week when I had just those extra hour and a half to 2 hours for myself. It was a real treat, and it will be for you too. So as usual, thank you so much for watching. I hope this was helpful.